Hi there, I'm Rory and I'm going to show you a couple of features on this Keylite roof window here, so we'll just get straight into it for you. So Keylite range comes in a standard anthracite grey on the exterior and an aluminium finish, and if you knock on the window like this it sounds a much better build quality rather than some other brands. It sounds a little bit tinny and echoey, so this is just a much higher, more rigid quality as well. So Keylite comes in an array of different glazing options. So it comes in a standard double glazing and it also comes in a triple glazing as well. So as standard, it has a toughened outer pane and a laminated inner pane. So it stops basically it shattering, so it's shatterproof, and it's for safety reasons as well, to stop all that glass falling onto you in the event of something shattering. It's also an easy install bracket. So these brackets at the top come pre-installed with the window when you're installing it. So these just flick out, so that means it can be installed from inside the house. And it has two different tabs. It has a red and a blue tab, so you can install it at a slightly more recessed angle if you'd like, just so it has that more sleek finish. These windows as standard do come with a more sleek installation rather than some other brands as well. So if we go to the inside of the window, so on the inside, Keylite comes in a different range of finishes as well. So this one here that we're showing you is PVC, and that is PVC right throughout the window. It also comes with a lacquered pine finish, so that's just your standard everyday pine. And it also comes with a white painted pine finish, which is pine that's painted white. So I'll show you some of the opening positions as well. So that's your venting position there, so that just allows a little flow of cool air to come through. Open it like that if you just want a little bit more air, and then it goes into full centre with it like that, and it just stays there. It doesn't swing back or anything on you. It also comes with this neat little bracket here, so if you want to clean the outside of the window, you just bring it down and flick that bracket in, and that will stay there nice and sturdy, so you can clean the outside of it without having to poke your head out the window or anything. So with Keylite roof windows, it comes with an expanding insulation collar right round the window, right here, and you pull this little tab, which will be on either side of the window. So over 24 hours, this will expand to fill all that gap to make sure it's a nice and tight seal, so there's no leakage of air through, so it's nice and warm and you've not got any leakage of insulation. With Keylite, it comes with a different array of blinds as well. So on the glazing, you can get interior glazing blinds, so they're inside the double pane, so that means they're out of the way of everything else. You can also get blinds on the interior that are bracketed on like that, so for example blackout or Venetian. There is a couple of other ones as well. It also has a finger sash mechanism around here, so that means it's easier to install it with one person, and it's easier to remove the sash from inside the home. So that's Keylite for you.